Let's launch Home+Control App and see some of the functions available. This is the home page, where all the rooms can be managed from. If you'd like to turn on the cooling in the kitchen for a selected time, 15, 30, or 45 minutes, you can use the boost function by touching the boost button. The blue bar will slowly decrease, letting you know how much time is left of the boost. To stop the boost, touch the X. To change the temperature, move the slider until you reach the temperature desired. Once set, you can also change the fan speed, 1, 2, 3, or auto. You can manage the temperature of other rooms in the same way. By pressing the blue circle in the middle bottom, you can quickly activate the schedule you prefer. For example, when you're going out, you can activate the away scene. You can also decide how long to leave the scene active. Let's see how to set the weekly programs from the menu on the left-hand side. Press the top bar to add a new schedule and rename it. The wizard will go through the steps, asking what time the household generally wakes up and goes to sleep, when they're at home during the day, and at what time they wake up and go to sleep on weekdays. Then if they're at home during the weekends. And finally, what the ideal temperature should be. This basic schedule is now complete and ready to be used. Let's see how to personalize it using the pencil edit function in the lower right-hand side. Preset temperature levels can be changed or new ones can be added to better manage different rooms. Name the new temperature level. This personalized temperature can be used on Sunday morning, for example, replacing the preset one. Finally, we can see the consumption monitoring graph and how long the cooling has been turned on in the different rooms, using the icon on the top right-hand side of the home page.